In today's video, we're comparing two powerhouse mini PCs, the BOSGAME AI 9 and the MINISFORUM AI X1 Pro-370, to see which one truly deserves your desk space. If you want to know the difference in the prices of these mini PCs, make sure to check the link in the description below. Both of these compact machines come packed with the latest AMD Ryzen AI 9 series processors and the impressive Radeon 890M integrated graphics. So you're getting a fantastic foundation for everything from gaming to content creation. But the real question is where they diverge. The BOSGAME pushes its CPU to a slightly higher 5.2 GHz boost clock compared to the MINISFORUM's 5.1 GHz, potentially giving it a tiny edge in raw processing speed, while the MINISFORUM counters with its own set of unique features like a built-in fingerprint sensor for security and integrated speakers for a more self-contained setup. On the memory front, the BOSGAME takes the lead with support for a massive 256 GB of RAM and a total of 8 TB of storage across its triple M.2 slots, which is a clear win if you're planning for future upgrades. Whereas the MINISFORUM offers a still ample 128 GB of RAM and a slightly higher maximum storage capacity of 12 TB, making it a storage king in its own right. When it comes to connectivity, both are neck and neck with USB 4, OCU Link for external GPUs, and the latest Wi-Fi 7, but the BOSGAME's dual 2.5 GB LAN ports provide a distinct advantage for network enthusiasts and home server builders who want to set up things like link aggregation or a soft router. However, the MINISFORUM isn't without its own unique tricks, as it comes with a dedicated Copilot key for quick AI assistance and dual noise-reducing microphones, making it seem more geared toward a modern, AI-integrated workflow. The BOSGAME also claims a higher total AI platform performance of 86 TOPS, which, along with its longer 3-year warranty, adds a layer of confidence for the future. Ultimately, while the MINISFORUM offers a more polished and feature-rich user experience right out of the box, it's the BOSGAME AI 9 that edges ahead as the best choice because of its superior upgradability, the added reliability of that extended warranty, and its slightly faster processor, ensuring your investment will remain powerful for years to come. So, for the best value and performance, the BOSGAME is a clear winner, and don't forget to click the link in the description below to get it at the absolute best price available.